Hi there, welcome back to Learn English with El Miskawi. I'm Fatima Zahra. Today we will talk about the word very. Do you use very in almost all of your conversation? If yes, so it's time to give up. Listen to this. Yesterday I woke up very early. I was very happy. I met Jessica. She looks very nice. I think she's a very beautiful partner. We are going to marry soon. What do you feel about that? It sounds monotonous. To sound more interesting, you should use more appropriate words. The expression very hungry is not specific. It doesn't express your urgent desire to eat. So, it's better to use the word starving. Starving. I'm starving. I haven't ate anything since breakfast. I'm starving in French means j'ai très faim. J'ai très faim. I'm starving. Very confused is unable to think clearly or to understand. In French, c'est hésitant ou incertain. Instead of very confused, use the word perplexed. She is perplexed about what to do for her husband. The expression very dark is lightless. This room is lightless. It means it doesn't receive any light. So, when you avoid using very, you will also expand your vocabulary and being definite. Very expensive is costly or high priced. In French, c'est très cher. I dream of having a high priced car. You can also say, I dream of having a costly car. Let's see another expression. Very soft is downy. Her laugh was downy. There are so many alternatives. For instance, very busy is snowed under. Very brief is precise. Very shy is bashful or sheepish. You need just to practice them in your conversation or in your writing. And if you do like this lesson, then like the video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. Don't forget to join me to the next one.